get out. Someone said get out. If there's any spirits here at all, can I hear your voice please? My name's Tony. I'm walking around the ship on my own to see if I can interact with anybody. Is there anybody here? If there is anybody here, can I see you? Can I hear you? Any workers on the ship? Let's go for a little explore, guys. Let's go for a little wander. While the ship's quiet and no one's around, let's go and see who is around in the spirit world. So if there are any spirits here, please make yourself known. It's like the Crystal Maze. So I'm going to show you guys around a little bit. Something we don't normally do. I'm going to get straight into the investigations, but it's such a big place. You never know what you can come across. Is anybody here? Can I hear your voice? Oh, stairs. Who was that? So just as I come on the stairs, I look at that was weird. So just as I come on the stairs, I look at that was weird. Give me a message that's going to make sense to this ship. Can I hear your voice? Can I see you? Is there anyone that worked down here or lost their life due to injury, accident?
Fighting.
Did you lose your life to fighting?
Fighting.
Did you lose your life to fighting? Hello? Is anybody here? Right guys, so I'm on my own for a bit. The public are going to be turning up in a bit, so I thought I'd go off and do a bit more on my own to see if I can get an interaction with whatever's here, or whoever's here. So, if there are any spirits here, this is going to be your chance now to have a bit of communication with myself. My name's Tony.
Your family.
My family are here. Can you bang to let me know where you are, please? Is there anyone here that lost their life on the ship? Can you whistle back if you're here, please? Is there any military?
Eric.
I don't even know what that even said. Eric. There's a device on the table there. Can you try and go towards it and give me an answer that will make sense to the ship? Or can I hear? Or can I hear your voice?
Satanic.
Why would there be that sort of thing on this ship then? Are there any nice spirits here? Anyone that needs help? Can I hear your voice, please? Hello? Is there anybody here at all? Can you appear around me? Can you show me your energy? Can I see you?
Please.
You don't like anyone being here. Is this your ship? Voice then. So you don't like anyone being here. Is this your ship? Voice then. So the male that just spoke, if you want me to get out, can you say it a bit louder, please?
Jeff.
Can you whistle if you're here, please? Can you whistle if you're here, please? Right, well, there we go. Let's go have a little wander around now that we've got the ship to ourselves, just to see if we can get any interaction with whoever is here. Oh mate, these stairs are terrible. I think it's this way. Is there anybody here? My name's Tony.
What you say?
It's different one. That's a bit loud, isn't it? Are there any spirits here? If there are, anyone that lost their life here, can I hear your voice? Can I see you? Is there anybody in this room?
They never found me.
They never found you. It's different. So were you buried? Were you buried somewhere in around Portsmouth? Or did you drown in the water? Is there any spirits here at all? Or anyone that lost their life on this ship? Is there a cover-up? Did something happen?
Close.
Close. Was you murdered? Did you fall in the water and drown? Is there anyone here that can tell me their name, please? Can I hear your voice? So I just heard like a footstep. And a bang. But nothing else.
Alice!
Oh, that's strange. So where does that come from? Hello? Hello? See, what was interesting about the footsteps stopped. Okay. Right. Right. So yeah, I've had a bit of time to myself on the ship. There's a few things that I can't explain. I've got used to the building sounds. That's the most important thing. There's quite a lot of contamination when it comes to this sort of noise here, and outside on top deck with the wind. But other than that, other things that happen I can't explain. Do you work on any of these particular areas? Can you bang on which one was yours? My name's Tony. Can you tell me your name? Can I hear your voice if you're down here with me, please? I might be able to hear you.
Don't go.
I'm not going to go yet. I've got to go in a minute because the public will be here. That's not a noise I've heard tonight. Sounds like a donkey. Sound like a donkey. Sound like a donkey. If there's anybody here with me, can I hear your voice, please?
We can see you all.
Can I see you? If you can see me, can I see you? Can you appear around me? Can you show me your energy, please? Did you work on this ship? Were you a caretaker? Military? Army or Navy?
They've upset me.
You've upset me. I haven't got long left to my own because the public will be here, so if there's anything you can do while I'm here, it'd be lovely to see you or hear you. Maybe you're fond of this place and you want to stay here, you like it here. Can you bang down here if you're here with me, please?
Your family.
Said that twice now. Is there anybody down here that lost their life while working? Is there anyone here from the Navy? Army? Did you ever go on board the HMS Victory with Lord Nelson? Do you know who Lord Nelson is? Did you fight in World War I? I just heard the most horrific sound. Sound like someone screaming. World War II. Are you aware that the war is over now? Definitely someone behind me. Can I hear your voice, please? Can you talk a little bit louder so I can hear you? Is there anything you can do to let me know you're here? Can you bang? Can I hear your footsteps again? Maybe you can show yourself to me. Can I see you as a ball of light, a mist or a shadow? Or maybe you just like playing around, playing tricks. Can you bang if that's the case? You don't want to communicate, you just want to have a laugh, scare people. Whistle, bang. I heard you then. I heard you then. I heard you then. Are you aware that I can hear your voice? Are you happy to be here? Do you want to be here? Is this a place of good memories for you? Or is there anybody here that's trapped? Is anybody trapped here? Footsteps behind me. Thank you for what you have done tonight. Do you enjoy people coming on the ship? Coming to visit you? Visit the ship? So there's constant whispering down here. I don't know what that was. So there's constant whispering down here. Sort of in around that direction. Like two people talking to each other. And there's someone behind me as well. I had a few footsteps. A few shuffling noises, which ain't paranormal, it's probably just a building. So the reason I'm down here is that I document the afterlife. So when we actually leave our physical body, I try and document evidence that there's more to this when we leave our physical body, that energy never dies, our soul lives on. So thank you for what you have done, and if you could do any more, I'd really appreciate it. Done, and if you could do any more, I'd really appreciate it. It's like someone opening some sort of one of these little doors. I'm down here on my own. It's like no, it wasn't that. Okay. Is there anybody here that believes in Jesus? Is there anybody here that believes in God? Is there anybody here that believes in heaven? I heard a voice. Is there anybody that believes in heaven? I heard a voice then.
Any spirits in here? Now we're a smaller team. We're hoping that might make you want to communicate with us.
Granny pig or something, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it?
If there's anyone here with us, can we hear your voice, please? Can you bang to let us know where you are? Someone's went, no. Can you bang to let us know where you are? Someone's went, no. Can you bang to let us know where you are? Someone's went, no.
Please. We did ask nicely.
That was a male.
Are there any animals here? They used to have animals on the ships.
Was there movement down by you then?
Well, I know. Yeah, it might have done actually, yeah.
We definitely have someone here with us.
Because I'm sure there was movement down by you then.
Are there any animals here? Are there any animals here? Are there any animals here?
To the male that's with us right now, can we hear your voice again, please? Do you want us to get out?
If you want us to get out of this area, we'll leave, but you need to let us all know that you don't want us here. And we will be respectful and we'll go. If you can make that REM pod change colour, so the light that's on the stairs, if you can manipulate that and change the colour, we'll leave.
Is there a John or a James here? Is there a John or a James here?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Did you?
Yeah, that hissing. It wasn't the alarm, was it, that they've got upstairs?
You know.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
Mm.
Where
I'm glad someone else heard it.
It sounds
Yeah.
it's coming from there.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? That'll pick up on your camera then, Tony, won't it?
Yeah.
I haven't got my camera on.
So to whoever just hissed, is that to get us out? Are you trying to scare us? You trying to scare us? You trying to scare us?
That was right.
Right, yeah.
Can you make that noise again, please? Let us know where you are.
Oh, do you hear that? Get out!
Oh, I didn't hear it again, please. Let us know where you are.
Oh, do you hear that? Get out!
Oh, I didn't hear it again, please. Let us know where you are.
Oh, do you hear that? Get out!
Oh, I didn't hear what it said. I heard.
Right when they made their noise upstairs, wasn't it?
I heard like a grunt or
Did you?
Yeah,
Yeah,
like,
like-
get out! He's in that, he's not up there, he's in there.
He's in that bit there.
Yep.
Let's put my dictaphone over there then.
Can you come out, please? Can you come out here and join us?
Don't steal my dictaphone. Don't steal my dictaphone. Don't steal my dictaphone, but you can talk into it, please.
Can I ask why you want us to get out? Is it because we're civilians?
Are we interrupting your work? Did you work in this bit? Did you help make the sales?
Someone whispering again.
Quite a lot of females in here too, isn't there?
What was that? Was that someone's tummy?
No.
Is that, You heard it? Female? You dead deaf, you said there's a lot of females in here and then I heard a female voice.
Yeah, I said there's quite a lot of females in here. Maybe he doesn't like the females in here.
No, I heard a female voice.
But that might be a grumpy man in there, doesn't like the females.
Why is there a female here? Why is there anybody here? No one died on this ship apparently.
No, they didn't, did they? They went to war. What did they have back then? TB, scurvy, smallpox.
Someone just whispered them. Do you hear it? Someone went, yes. Someone just whispered them. Do you hear it? Someone went, yes. Someone just whispered them. Do you hear it? Someone went, yes. What did you say last? Smallpox.
Smallpox.
Right.
So did you die of smallpox?
I'm really sorry, I'm trying to find my tissue. To blow my nose.
So the man that died of smallpox, can we hear your voice again? Did you die on the ship?
That bloody alarm.
That didn't go off early either, did
No,
it?
It's
Debbie's-
someone's sensor.
It's Debbie up there with the sensor.
Oh, was it? I thought it was bloody shit.
No, we think that guy's looking for it. It's Debbie. You might have found him, didn't you?
Can you make a really loud bang if you're in here, please, and you're not happy that we are?
Was that you, Emily? Was that you, Emily? Was that you, Emily?
Who the bloody hell just cleared their throat?
It's like,
I thought, that's why I said, was it Emily?
anyone up there?
There's no one up here. They're all down there.
No, there was a lady that sat on that ran this area. She said exactly the same. She had someone clearing their throat,
Yeah,
male,
she did.
and I heard that as well. So
We all bloody heard that.
Yeah.
That was well clear.
Did you hear it, Sue?
No, I'm mutton though, hang on.
My dictaphone, which you can talk into, I've left it up here on the bars. It's just over here. So if there's anything you want to tell us, then he can speak into that device. Or Tony's got a camera in his hand that will pick up what you say.
There's a male talking when you were talking then.
It's rude to talk when someone's talking.
I was just thinking that. That's exactly what was in my head. How rude.
So, have you ever been to Fort Ridley? Ever been to Fort Ridley? Ever been to Fort Ridley?
In this vicinity, so the one didn't hear it.
So where is he?
That hiss? Or shush?
No, the clearing of the throat.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah. Have you heard that?
What's that?
Yeah. Have you heard that?
What's that?
Yeah. Have you heard that?
Yeah,
It's
like a shh.
No, it was it.
Yeah. If that other lady had the clearing of the throat when we were here yesterday, that man wasn't down in there.
No, it wasn't.
I've got a feeling whatever's here don't like females.
That's what I said, is it the females? Because there's a lot of us, isn't there? This
Yeah.
would have been an all-male ship. Shh.
I'm so cold. I was just thinking that it's gone really cold. There's movement.
Stay up there a bit, Em. Because you wouldn't like a female up there, would you?
Ah, do you like, not like a female coming up into your area?
Careful, I might push it down.
I was about to say, stairs. If there's a male here that doesn't like females, can we hear your voice? Maybe they're not allowed to be out loud on the ship. Hear your voice, please. Any males? Someone just say, get out. So I don't want to see people. Can you speak a bit louder, please? Do you hear that?
Yeah, from over there.
Yeah. If there's somebody in that room, can you move something in that room, please, so we can hear it?
Definitely something in there, isn't there?
Yeah. I think that's not accessible to the public either, so... Is there anyone in here? Did you hear clearing the throat again?
Yeah,
Did you hear clearing the throat again?
yeah,
Did you hear clearing the throat again?
yeah. Clear as day. And also that's gone really cold. Really cold.
Is there a male here with us that only wants to talk to males? Just had a whistle. Just had a whistle. Can you bang please and let us know where you are? Can you bang please and let us know where you are? Can you bang please and let us know where you are?
Heard footsteps.
Can we hear your voice?
Did you serve on this ship?
Are you military? Navy? Army? Very odd noises in this place. The thing is, you get used to some of the noises, but some of it's different.
Yeah, I totally understand what you're saying, but I mean, I've never done this before, but you can distinguish a proper sound from
Yeah.
a sound that's not normally there.
Yep.
forward? Is that forward? That's forward. Thank you very much. Now, could you please show me a yes answer? Show me a yes answer. Show me a yes answer.
Somebody whispering amongst you desks.
It's back.
Another update.
Show me a yes answer. Show me a yes answer.
Whispering amongst you desks.
It's back.
Another update. When I went walking back over the EMS fight, and supposedly someone had Dev's back over the radio.
They had what?
Dev's back.
Debs.
Dev's is back.
DB.
DEV.
Yeah, as in you,
There.
as in your back.
That's
really cool.
Where did you hear the whisper tone?
Right in the middle of you lot.
Right in the middle. Right, so just to confirm, could you please show a yes answer? Please show me a yes answer. That was no one, We've got someone else here, haven't we now? Okay. Right. We're going to start again. So to the spirit that's now here, can I please ask you to show me, by using Sue, a yes answer? Show me a yes answer. It must be clear, please. Show me a yes answer.
It's getting louder.
Stop.
Blimey.
It's almost like trying to stop the experiment.
You see, I'm just going to say, it's every time you start talking, Deb. Is somebody over there or not? Where? I don't know, over there. No.
No, shadows moving.
Are you still shallow?
Yeah, it moved that way,
Yeah.
across that way.
So it's somebody outside knocking against it. If you do it
Oh,
extra all the
yeah.
time.
I don't think a lot of the experiment.
Right, we're going to start again then. Right, okay. Spirits, please can I ask you to... Spirits, please can I ask you to... Spirits, please can I ask you to manipulate Sue's body to give me an answer for yes. Give me an answer for yes. Give me an answer for yes.
Is it Judy?
Yeah, Julie, it's the same.
Right. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Now can you please show me an answer for no? Please show me your answer for no. That's towards me, thank you. That sounded like a stone.
On the stairs.
I was just going to say it so that something's thrown.
That's towards me, thank you. That sounded like a stone.
On the stairs.
I was just going to say it so that something's thrown.
That's towards me, thank you. That sounded like a stone.
On the stairs.
I was just going to say it so that something's thrown.
I don't think they like the
I don't
experiment.
like it. We're going to continue.
Good.
Right, okay. So, do we have a male with us? Can you please show me, do we have a male with us?
Here. Melted here.
That was a yes, that was a yes, isn't it? Okay, thank you. Is your name Private Wells? Are you Private Wells?
The thing is, if it wind, it'll be consistent. This is happening every once in a while, so it can't be wind.
When we
if it
start
was-
doing this.
Okay, thank you. So it's no. Am I known? Am I known?
No.
Right. So we don't have a private wells. Do we have, no, thank you very much. Do we have a Mr. Robinson? Mr. Robinson, did you follow us from the boiler room like you said you were going to? Mr. Robinson, are you here?
Okay, thank you very much. And can I just confirm you are male? You are male? So are they telling us to be careful from Mr. Robinson? Mr. Robinson, are you not who you say you are? Do you mind us being aboard the ship? You do.
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
Yeah. Male voice.
No, you do.
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
Yeah. Male voice.
No, you do.
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
Yeah. Male voice.
No. Kai's picked up on a voice telling us to be careful.
Yeah. Ask if females are welcome here.
Are females welcomed here? Doesn't matter, no. Well, I think that's very rude of you, and I think that, you know, times have changed and you ought to keep up with the times. What do you reckon? Alright, okay. So, are you angry? You're not angry. Oh, yes!
Yeah.
That's a yes, you are angry. Oh, well, sorry about that.
Is that why you're banging?
Yes. So do you have a lot of energy then?
Whisper there. Male voice.
I heard something. I can't tell you what it was, but I heard something. Did you hear something?
It's in the circle.
It sounded like it was right here.
Mm.
Yes. Oh, okay. All right. So do you want to do it again then? You reckon you're powerful. Can you not do it then in a way that we can all hear you? Or are you all mouth? Tap over there. So, are you telling me you're the only female spirit on board? Are you the only female spirit on board? Yeah. Yeah. And then that corresponds to what you said when I asked the question, and the male said no when I asked if there's more than one. Are there any children on board? Are there any children on board? No.
No, it was a voice.
No children.
Male said no there as well.
Okay. But we heard giggling when we were downstairs, as if it was a a child. Was that a female we heard giggling? Did we hear a female giggling?
Yes.
Was it yourself that was giggling? Were you giggling? No. It was someone else. Okay. Were they giggling at us? Were they laughing at us? Yeah.
Did you notice the bang stop as well?
Yeah.
Like, if it was consistent, it's explainable, but it stopped.
That was loud banging,
They got
It was
louder
getting
and louder.
louder. wasn't
Because
it?
I carried on.
Mm.
Then it stopped when I stopped.
As I'm looking at you, Debs, there's a shadow over there by those rifles.
That one, don't we? Anybody die of smallpox? TB, that one, don't we? Anybody die of smallpox? TB, that one, don't we? Anybody die of smallpox? TB?
Closer to the boards and come and talk to us. We don't mean you no harm, we come with love, light and respect. We're very nice people, we're friendly, and we're germ free.
We don't ask for
germ free. You come and talk to us.
Can we hear your voice, please? There's someone down. Is that you, John? There's someone down. Is that you, John? There's someone down. Is that you, John? No. It's a male voice.
Like a whisper.
Was you in the Navy?
Did you have an accident down here when you were working?
Can you make noise?
Did anyone go clear their throat or anything like that, or just breathe heavily? Right in front of us here.
Can you make noise?
Did anyone go clear their throat or anything like that, or just breathe heavily? Right in front of us here.
Can you make noise?
Did anyone go clear their throat or anything like that, or just breathe heavily? Right in front of us here. There's definitely a male here with us.
You get the name tag?
No, he's just playing with us. Trickster.
Trickster? Can you bang on something? Whereabouts are you standing now? If you make a noise, we know where you are. Is that out there?
Down that way, yeah.
Come down this way.
Yes, like footsteps.
Can you bang to let us know where you want us to go forward to? Bang as loud as possible.
Can you make it louder? Can you tap on this for me?
Yeah, you can actually do it. Or military. If you're military, you could do Morse code. Bang.
A torch. Where's the torch gone? George, I lost your Have any moved that?
Just saw an orb shoot from behind you. It's over there.
It would.
So just playing with us, isn't it? Both ends, it's like.
Can you bang that again? Can you copy me again? Now look, I'm not being funny, but that was literally as I done that.
It's yours though, but it only sets one off.
But watch it, it waits and it does it exactly the same time.
It is weird why it only sets one off though.
It's waiting. It's not as if you bang it and it waits like a second after.
Pass me a torch here, Seth. Just see what.
This one. I mean, obviously it's a torch, but
Yeah.
it's weird that it only does one, isn't it?
But then, why is it not setting the rest? Maybe that's got like, I don't know, faulty,
Is that all?
possibly. Did anyone say that? Possibly. Did anyone say that? Possibly. Did anyone say that?
Yeah, I did.
Or did anyone?
I heard it.
I will do it.
No logic to it, is there?
That's what I mean, why is it only that one? It's bizarre, isn't it?
Where's that from?
That's weird.
But it's good to conduct these experiments, because again, you're trying to recreate it and it's not doing the same thing.
Explain that one.
Is that all in that place?
Can you make a sound? Can we hear your footsteps again? Or a groan? Or a bang?
Do you hear that, Bev? Well, you look, Devon. My voice.
I don't know what it's like.
Do you hear that, Bev? Well, you look, Devon. My voice.
I don't know what it's like.
So the man that keeps speaking, can you talk a bit louder so everybody can hear you?
It's a little bit further up there.
Yeah. So it's in the room with us though.
Yeah.
You can-
Whisper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit further.
Do you hear that, Bev? Well, you look, Devon. My voice.
I don't know what it's like.
So the man that keeps speaking, can you talk a bit louder so everybody can hear you?
It's a little bit further up there.
Yeah. So it's in the room with us though.
Yeah.
You can-
Whisper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit further.
Do you hear that, Bev? Well, you look, Devon. My voice.
I don't know what it's like.
So the man that keeps speaking, can you talk a bit louder so everybody can hear you?
It's a little bit further up there.
Yeah. So it's in the room with us though.
Yeah.
Whisper.